Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's weather update. Today we have an enhanced risk of severe weather across portions of northern Pennsylvania and central western New York State in the orange. We have a slight risk extending from the Midwest through areas of the western Northeast, and then a marginal risk in the dark green surrounding that. And we also have a marginal risk of severe weather today across the eastern Rockies and western Central Plains, and a marginal risk of severe weather across portions of southern and central Arizona today. Looking at today's tornado threat, there's a 5% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location in this brown shaded area today across portions of central western New York State and far northwestern Pennsylvania, and a 2% chance in the green area today. So make sure you watch out for a few isolated tornadoes if you live in these areas today, especially in the brown area. Looking at the damaging wind threat, the damaging wind threat is going to be the primary severe weather threat once again today, with a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a location across portions of northern Pennsylvania, central western New York State in the red, a 15% chance in the yellow, and a 5% chance in the brown. We also have a 5% wind risk across the eastern Rockies and western plains in this brown area, and a 5% chance of damaging winds across central southern Arizona, and this is going to be for monsoon downbursts. And then looking at the hail threat is going to be pretty minimal today, with only a 5% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location across these two brown areas today. Now, timing out the storms across the Northeast, beginning at around 1 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time, we're going to start to see some storms develop across western New York State into portions of southeastern Ontario and southern Quebec. And as we head into 1 through 2 p.m., the storm coverage is going to get more numerous as they begin to move east across southern Canada and into northern areas of New York and Pennsylvania. And going into 3 and 4 and going into 4 and 5 o'clock Eastern time, the storms are going to start to intensify across western and central New York and northern Pennsylvania. And we're going to start to see some damaging straight line winds in some of these Boeing segments that develop by about 5 o'clock Central Time this afternoon. And then going into 6 and 7 and 8, we're going to have scattered to numerous showers and storms train over the same areas across northwestern Pennsylvania through western central New York. And because these storms are kind of isolated, I think we could see a few tornadoes today, actually. And then going into about 8, 9, 10 o'clock this evening, we're going to see more storms move across the area. And then going into even the overnight by about 10, 11, and 12 p.m., we're going to start to see another round of more numerous showers move through northwestern Pennsylvania, New York State, bringing more heavy rain than anything else. And looking at the rainfall accumulation, we could be seeing areas of 1 to 3 inches of rain across northwest Pennsylvania, and especially western and central New York State, with isolated locations up to 4 inches. So we could see some flash flooding today across areas of northwest Pennsylvania, and especially western central New York State. So be on the lookout for that. Thanks for watching today's weather update. Make sure you prepare for severe weather if you live in the shade areas today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.